How to fix Instagram black screen. Hello guys, so in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram black screen problem. So please keep watching until the end because this video is gonna help you a lot. So first thing you have to do is just open the settings on your phone, and after that go to the wireless and networks, and then enable the airplane mode like this, and go back, go to the apps manager, and then open the apps page and wait a few seconds and scroll down until you find Instagram. After you find it, click on it. Now all what you have to do is simple. Click here on this force stop option and then go to the permissions right here. Make sure to enable all the permissions. Go back again, click on data usage and make sure all those options are enabled like this, from the mobile data and the Wi-Fi and the background data and also the roaming data. Go back. Now the last thing you have to do is just click on the storage. This is an optional step because it will delete your data. Just click here on clear data, but it is so helpful, so you can do it if you don't have a problem to lose the data. Go back and go back to the settings and click on wireless and networks again and disable the airplane mode like this. Now restart your phone and reopen Instagram and the problem must be solved. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel if this video was helpful for you. See you later. Thank you so much.